Hey, welcome back to Mosaic in Minutes. I'm Chloe. In this video, we're building a full mega menu from scratch that's clean, flexible, and completely custom. So let's jump right in. If you're in the template editor, just double-click the header, and you'll find yourself in the master editor, where the navbar lives. Now enter the navbar scope the same way and go to the Add panel, and drop in a new drop-down element at the right spot. Now enter the drop-down scope. Once you're inside, let's rewrite the text. I'll call this one Features. In the wrapper, we already have a list with 2 items, but I'll delete the second one, so we can focus only on the first one here. Now let's build our first mega menu item. I'll rename this one to Chat. Then, just duplicate that text. We'll use the second one as a short description. Now, change the element class on the second text so it visually reads a supporting copy, not another title. Right now, these two are a little too cozy, so let's wrap them in a rows element and give them some breathing room, which is super easy if you have utility classes for the rows element. Much better. And yes, don't forget the icon. Icons matter. So let's add one real quick. Great. Now let's go to the icon library. Then search Chat, and we've got ourselves a winner. Now let's fix its positioning. And we could technically use the menu link item, however. Using a columns element here will grant us those sweet utility classes to adjust the gap. Add the previously made rows element to this columns element, and then adjust the gap using the utility class. Honestly, this already looks like a real menu item, but it should actually go somewhere. So I'll select the menu link using the toolbar here. And we can set the link using this icon. We can paste a URL here, but an even better option is to just start typing the name of the page you want, and Mosaic will show it. Pretty neat, right? To make this reusable, let's turn it into a component. I'll call it Menu Link and set it to be a part. And that's it. First mega menu item done. Time for round 2. Let's go back to the toolbar and select either the item or the list parent. Both works. I'll go with item this time. And using the plus icon here, add 2 more items. Then swap out the icon and the text. Really nothing new here. Let's do it once more for a third item. At this point, you could probably do it with your eyes closed. So far, so good. 3 menu items all set. But if we're being honest, this still feels more medium than mega. So let's fix that quickly. An image would really level this up. So let's drop one in and give this dropdown a bit more presence. All right, the image is in. Now let's get it sitting next to the menu items over on the right. First, wrap the list item in a grid element and move the image into it as well. And nothing happened. Totally fine. That's expected. To make it work, set the grid's element class to 2 columns. Okay, that's much better, but it's way too wide. Let's fix that. Apply a max width utility class and set it to 8 columns. Much better. Next, we'll fix the gap between the dropdown and the wrapper. Just select the wrapper and change the top margin. Great, looking much better now. Now back to the drop-down settings. I'll set it to open on hover with a soft fade and a tiny slide down. You can adjust the position here too, but I'll leave it as is for now. Let's preview what we've built so far. And yep, it looks just like it did in the editor. Love that. Wait, but what about mobile? Yeah, fair point. Let's fix that fast. Back to the editor, and switch over to mobile view. From the grid, drop the extra column and suddenly, everything works. And just like that, mobile is fixed. And that's it. You can now build pretty much any mega menu you can imagine in Mosaic. Or you can even use one from the library if you don't feel like building it yourself. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. See you in the next one.